Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add flame transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you can click on a box white icon, this one. And after this, you can click on the effect. And now you can swipe until you can see flame. This is the flame transition effect, so you just click on it. And after this, you can swipe this icon to left or right for set the duration for the transition like this. And after this, you can click on apply to all for add the transition effect to all videos. And after this, you can click check icon in here. And finish. So that's how to add flame transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.